My client has these stovetop covers, and I just want to say I think they're genius. You just slip it on, and it just makes cleaning it much more easier, because whatever dirt is on here, you just shake it off or wipe it off, and it's not like you get stuck on grease on the actual stove, because you got these like stovetop protectors. Isn't that cool? Very cool. Love it. Gets a thumbs up from Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.
Hey, Crunchy by Clean friend. Hope you're doing well. If you want to find out all the cool cleaning tools and gadgets and eco-friendly and minimal waste and organizing awesome things that I love to use in my home and my cleaning business, you can check out my Amazon shop. So go to amazon.com/shop/Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and I have it all organized in folders, and you can see all the cool little gadgets. And I'm also posting lots of Amazon sales and specials. So make sure to subscribe to my Amazon shop, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and you can see all the cool cleaning and organizing things that I love to use. Also, you can check out many of them in action on my YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and on TikTok and Instagram, and on Facebook, and on my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.